Well, I have some breaking news for this Daily Tech Brief. Google has lost its billion-dollar legal fight with Oracle, but everybody will pay the price, according to BGR.com. Google's on the hook for billions of dollars in damages after a federal appeals court decided it violated Oracle's copyright by using Java code in its Android operating system. The case has been sent down to a lower-level court for damages to be calculated. This may amount to several billion dollars in damages. This lawsuit sets a strict precedent on the use of APIs, application programming interfaces, in coding. If we scroll down here real quick, Mozilla is siding with Google in the case. In order for open source to thrive, programmers need to reuse and re-implement existing APIs, the technical standards according to which computer programs interoperate with each other. Well, stay tuned, more will follow. And finally, according to CNN.com, it's not just Facebook. Thousands of companies are spying on you. Mr. Bond.